All right.
Get off.
Okay. So, what we're going to do today in this next segment of our learning is I'm going to do some work with you on reading, note-taking, and note-making when you use the internet and different sources of digital media.
Can we just do it on our notebook?
Yeah, you can do it with your notebook. I said notebook or a sheet of notebook paper. So what I would like you to do is flip the iPads over. Hold on a second. And open up Safari. Okay. Go to Safari. You're going to need to skip here. That one, I got to reset. Which one is doing that right now?
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. And if you're on Safari and you see Ms. Poppleman's blog, you're at the right place. Okay. If you don't see Ms. Poppleman's blog, if you go to bookmarks, it kind of looks like an open book. You can find Ms. Poppleman's blog bookmarked.
So, are we going to watch these videos?
Not yet.
They're on YouTube. 2:31.
Okay. So, you're here at MsPoppleman.blogspot.com. It says practice wave problems, speed, and frequency. I want you to click that link. So,
Lena,
all the way
what are we on? Go down to what?
where it says practice wave problems, it'll say click here.
Here.
Practice wave problems, click here. There, you're at the right place.
Let me see it. Skip.
You have it.
Look, it says click here.
There you go.
Click.
There you go.
Click.
There you go. Okay. You're in that.
So there's no button, so you don't like click. Click. Don't click. I swear it says click.
There you go. All right. So, one of the things that we need to look at is do you think this is a reputable website? Okay. Well, because I've sent you here, I feel that it's a pretty reputable website, so you can probably trust the information. So I want us all starting at the top, where it says Properties of Waves, Lesson 2.
So do we hit lesson 2?
Okay. So one of the things we need to practice doing is how do we make and take notes when we have digital media. One of the things that I often see students do is when they're using the internet, a lot of times they don't make notes. And that's something we need to practice doing when we have an iPad or computer. So, I'm going to do the first paragraph with you. So, you shouldn't be squishing, you shouldn't be doing anything but reading along. Okay? So, first paragraph. A wave is a disturbance that moves along a medium from one end to another. If one watches an ocean wave moving along the medium, the ocean water, one can observe the crest of the wave is moving from one location to another over a given interval of time. The crest is observed to cover a distance. The speed of an object refers to how fast an object is moving, and is usually expressed in the distance traveled per time of travel. In the case of the wave, the speed is the distance traveled by a given point of the wave, such as a crest, in a given amount of time. In equation form, speed equals distance divided by time. What is probably an important piece of information you ought to get off that web page onto your paper? The formula. If you don't have the formula, you ought to be writing down the formula. Why do you think that's pretty important, Bree?
Because you're going to need it when we figure out how to test or something.
Yeah, you're going to need it. So, in your notebooks, you should be writing this formula.
I have it.
Okay, you have it 3 times. Do you need it another time? No. But if you don't have it at all, you probably ought to mark it. So, or you may be, for you, Bree, what should you probably do if you already have it marked once?
Look over it.
Look over it or make yourself a highlight or a smiley face or something?
That's what I do.
Why do you take a video of us?
Okay. What else might you think is important in that first paragraph, Diana?
That a wave is a disturbance.
That a wave is a disturbance. And what is that disturbance moving along? What does it say, the terminology they used?
A medium.
A medium. How else might we summarize the word medium?
How's it used?
The word medium, how's it used there?
Where's it at? I can't find it.
A wave is a disturbance in a medium, I think the first or second sentence.
The very first.
Middle, like a middle part of it.
So at
That's
the
a
top,
median, not a medium.
Yeah.
Using context clues, what does the term medium used there mean?
It means like a thing.
A thing or a substance, okay? So, in your notes, you probably need to write a wave is a disturbance in, instead of a medium, it's a disturbance in a what? Substance. Okay? And you might want to use both. You might want to say substance, but in this particular website, they like to use the term medium. Anything else in there that you think is extremely important, or do you think we've got enough important information from that paragraph and we can go on?
I think we go on.
I think we can go on. So, what I would like you to do is to go on one paragraph at a time and see what you can pick out to put in your notes. So practice, and I will give you some feedback as we go along. Yeah, the rest of those paragraphs.
All of it?
Yeah.
The whole page?
Well, not the practice problems. We're going to do the practice problems tomorrow.
To there?
Yeah, so to there. So let me show you. You need to read and make some notes, and you can stop when you get to check your understanding.
Miss P, do you got like a paper clip?
Yeah, if you go onto that little short desk, there's a coffee cup with paper clips in it. It's not correct, John. Keep working. I'll tell you when you can clean up for the day, okay?
I want to push this button. What is... It makes it bigger. I'm doing this.
What did you do?
On this,
Or you can stretch it.
it looks better, don't it?
Yeah, how do you
Yeah.
do that?
There's this little thing right here.
It says read. Yeah,
Read her and push it, guys.
yeah.
Makes it bigger for you.
My goodness.
Makes it clear.
Woo, good job. Way to be a team player in learning.
Is that on me?
Yes.
Get that off.
It's not on you. It's on you now. It wasn't. It was facing the ground. Yeah. It was facing the ground when I said, way to be a learning team player. It was facing the ground, actually. What did you find in the second paragraph there that you like or think is important? Or are you just ignoring the second paragraph?
Yeah, I'm kind of going down here.
Okay. And that's okay. So, did we see that happen in our animations? When a wave hits something else, what can it do?
Start a new one.
What?
We can start a new one.
Start a new one or hit? John, get to work. Yes.
My iPad's almost dead.
It's okay. We got enough time. So, are you finding that you need something from every paragraph, or can you kind of skip?
I can kind of skip in some.
Good deal. Yeah, right there on that short little desk. John, get to work. Okay, last thing before we go. Was there any brand new information in here?
No, not really.
Not really. But why do you think I had you read it anyway?
Refresh our memory.
Refresh your memory? What else? Make sure you understood it. So what I would like you to do is take these iPads, put them face down like you found them on your desk.